Okay. Tell us about the review meeting you held today before the feast.
Review meeting is basically to tie up a few knots just before the feast, because as anticipated, we believe there will be a massive crowd. Like today itself, the crowd is over 1.5 lakh
Okay.
as of 2-3 hours ago. So we believe that second and third the crowd will be much more. That is why we wanted to see various aspects: accommodation, your security, health.
So anything would be increased as far as security you talk about, hotels?
There are about 700-800 constables on duty in any case every day.
Okay.
Let's see.
Now today is the 11th day as far as the exposition has started. So how far it has been?
I think you have to tell us.
No,
I think the
as far as the review meetings
I think
which you all are taking.
the reviews that we are getting from the public are very positive. People are very happy with the arrangement. So you have to give credit to the joint effort of the church and the government.
There was another discussion as far as those people who are selling candles and all, that they are not being able to give candle because थोड्यांचे आंगवण्यो असतात ते वापरतात. Any opportunity?
The problem is what there is no place that is been earmarked for putting the candle or putting the flowers. There is no place. So they are thinking of what if we can offer a solution.
But is it because of security concern?
No, it's not that it could also mess up the place.
Any precautionary measures that you have taken if rain comes?
The pandal is got galvanized sheets above, so there won't be a problem. There won't be a problem. Normally they just put up a pandal, but this time it is in view of the rain. We have made the necessary arrangements. The church authorities have made arrangements because that pandal comes under the church.
राजेश बाब, as far as आज तुम्ही रिव्ह्यू मिटिंगेक आशिल्ले असा सहमत आसा सगळे हितून
कितें म्हणटा
जे मिटिंगेन रिव्ह्यू मिटिंगेन सगळे जाला बद्दल सहमत आसा कितें
हय सगळें कितें आमी तो एक आढावो परत घेवपाक रावल्ले की आमचे परवा फिस्ट आहा त्या हिशोबान कसो अरेंजमेंट केला कितें जाला आतां तुमी जर पळयलां आमी सगळे जाता तितले डे बाय डे आमी कितें कितें आनी बरें कितें जावचें ह्या हिशोबान आमी कंटिन्युअसली फॉलोअप करीत आसता. सो आयजूय आमी तेच एक मिटींग घेतल्या आनी थोडोसो आमचो फुलांकाराचो आनी वातीकाराचो हो एक व्हडलो इशू आसा तो आतां आमी फाल्यां सीएमूय येता हांगा. सो आतां आमी सीएमा कडेन वचून परत डिस्कस करपाचें आमी आनी आमच्या मिनिस्टरान आत्तां आमी उलयल्या. सो आमी तोय आतां हें घेतलें आनी फाल्यां आमचो सीएम येवपाचो आहा. आमी फादरा कडेनूय आत्तां डिस्कस केलां. आमचो फादरूय खूब हेल्प करता. सो आतां वचून आमी तेंय डिस्कस करतले.
ओके. अदरवायज सगळें सारकें आसा?
सामकें तुमी पळयता मरे कितलें बरें. आय थिंक आयज 1.5 लाख लोक वयर येयल्या. मोर दॅन 1,50,000. मागीर कंटिन्युअसली तुमी डे बाय डे वाडटा. आतां पळय गोंयचे साहेबाचे म्हणजे इतलो भावार्थ आसा तो तुमी पळयता. आमी कितेंच हांगा कमी पडोंक दिना. आमच्या आजू बाजू जर खंय जरी केलें जाल्यार एक तुका कचरो सुद्दां दिश्टी पडचो ना. इतलें आमी सारकें हांगा क्लीन दवरला आनी सिस्टमान चल्ल्या. इतलीं वर्सां केन्ना जालें ना ते ह्या वर्साक आमी एक्सपोजिशनाक करून दाखयलें आसा. त्याच बरोबर आमच्या मतदारसंघान संपूर्ण मतदारसंघान आमी विकासाचेर भर दिल्ली आसा. इवन आमचो धावजेचो ब्रीज सुद्दां आमी काम सुरू केलां. मोर दॅन 15 days जाले. आमी फक्त तो रोड बंद केलो ना कारण लोकांक आमच्या फेस्ताक येवपाक वचपाक एक्सपोजिशनाक प्रॉब्लेम जातले आमचे सांतिस्तेवचे कुमारदेवच्या लोकांक म्हणून आमी रोड आजून बंद केलो ना म्हणून काम आमी चालू दवरला.